Hey, what's going on, guys? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Day Trader. That's right, putting down another video for you. You know what time it is. It is time once again for my hot pick of the day. Now, this will be my hot pick for tomorrow, which will be Monday, March 9th, 2020. But before we get into that, don't forget to help me out by smashing those buttons for me. That's right, help me out by liking the video. You can comment, you can also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, or go live, you'll be right there rocking and rolling with me. No diggity, no doubt. It's all good. Right now, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker XOM. That is Exxon Mobil. Now, Exxon, as well as the whole entire oil sector, has been on a decline. Yes, currently at 47, let's see, 85 right now as I'm looking at the chart. It is down 4.69%, the lowest close since September 23rd, 2004. And we're at 2020, so you talk about 16 years it hasn't been this low. Currently down 3 of the last 4 days. Exxon Mobil will reduce its spending on producing natural gas in North America, according to Neil Chapman, head of Exxon's upstream business, due to low U.S. natural gas prices. That's right, Chapman said Exxon would reduce capital expenditure on North American dry gas. Earlier Friday, 2 firms cut their price target on Exxon. Benzinga reported currently down 2 consecutive days, down 8.89 over this period, and worst 2-day stretch since the 2 days ending in February 5th, 2018, when it fell 10.5%. Yep, Exxon and these natural oils. I was reading something about, let me look at this article real quick. Something about it being down because the extraction of oil and natural gas from shale. And shale is actually oil shale is a sedimentary rock formation containing kerogen, which is a type of organic matter that yields oil and gas. So I guess they're finding other ways to get gas, so they don't need to import as much, and thus the decline. But as always, as technical traders, as day traders, we got to look into the charts and see exactly what's going on. With my hot pick of the day, the ticker XOM, that is Exxon Mobil. Now, if we look at Exxon on the intraday chart, you can see it closed at 47.69. Kind of had this little pop to this 540, which is actually, we look on there, 539 is the 5 EMA on the daily. So a little pop there and then just drop down here on Friday, and kind of just chopping in this 48 to 47 area, up and down, and kind of testing this trend line. Where did I get this trend line from? Let's push this back to our hourly. So what I did, usually I use the hour chart or 4 hour, and then what I do is I find this first lower high. You see it made this high and this first lower high, and then pull back here. So what I usually do is I mark off the trend line from this high to the first lower high and just send it straight across. Anytime it breaks this trend line, we could try and go long. You can see it kind of broke it here, kind of pushed up, then failed, tested it here and failed miserably, pushed up again, failed, and now you can see it's almost like a resistance to it right here. So we definitely want to watch this trend line. If you want to put the trend line, you can just put the hour chart and just go straight across. Or what I usually use is these Fibonacci retracement levels, because that's what's good for me. You can see, like I said, it definitely it rejected this 5 EMA. So what I did is I fibbed this high level of the 540 all the way down to this pre-market low on Friday at 47.95. And you can see the 49.18 is the 50% retracement, so never past that 49.18. So we're definitely still bearish on the trade. But before we get into the full technical analysis on how to trade this on tomorrow, let's go back to the daily chart and see exactly where Exxon has been the last couple months and years. Let's explore this. You can see this is a high at 104.76 back in 2013, I believe. And you know, it kind of pulled back, popped back up, retested this 95.55 level I have marked off here, and this kind of tried to hold this 81.05. You can see a bunch of times, broke down, reclaimed, tried to back test this 89.34 level, came back down, 73.79 support, then kind of just got really choppy, couldn't get back up to this 89 level, then boom, dropped down to the 66.55, and then back up to this 81 to 50% retracement, kind of reclaimed it for a while, then just kind of came back down. And you can see just been drop all the way down to this 47.20 low. Now, if we scan all the way back, we try to find this 47 level on the chart. Not until, what is this, 10 year? I need to go even further back according to them. Let's go max available. Okay. So if we see this 48.63 level, we see all the way back, not until right here, about 2004-ish, right here, where it based out at this 48.63 level. So not for about 16 years has Exxon been this low. So it's not looking good. And I said I would want to look for a bounce, but I also was looking for a bounce on the airlines, and we see how that went. They just continued to come on down. So as we scale back all the way back here, this 48.63 level is a key level I had on the daily. So you can see it kind of held here and tried to hold here and broke down. So my next level all the way down here at 34.13. So if we scroll all the way back to 2004, where are we? That's 1998. Wow, this thing goes back, way back. So right here, 2004. When did it ever hit 34.13? This 34.13 wasn't hit since 2002. So we have a little bit of support in these certain areas here. Yeah, maybe 44ish area we might see some. But long term, we definitely want to watch this 34.13. If it gets down that low, we definitely want to try and buy it up and take a bounce on it. But as far as intraday goes, we'll see right here, if it doesn't break this 50% retracement at 49.18, which is not even close, and it's also getting rejected by this trend line. So what we want to see is a break of this 47.95, $48 level, let's say, for a push on up, maybe to 48.50 and maybe even $49. If not, a rejection of this 47.95, we could see it test the low of 47.20 and maybe even down to 46.94 and 46.44, 45.21, all below. You could just definitely see a drop in this even more, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens with it. But you can write down these levels and definitely be aware. This usually trades pretty good, not too wide spreads. The ATR is about $1.94, so you can get away with decent size on it because it doesn't move as much. But you never know, with all the things going on in the market and this been dropping, this might get a little volatile. So as always, just mitigate your risk. Like I said, you can stop this video, write down these levels to trade off, as they will be in play tomorrow and possibly the next couple days. So you can use these Fibonacci levels to trade off of. Anyway, real simple, real easy. I'm gonna wrap it up right there. That is the technical analysis on my hot pick of the day, the ticker XOM. That is Exxon Mobil. All right, there you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker XOM. That is Exxon Mobil. Now, as always, it takes a lot to put these videos together for you, but I love it. I do it every single day. You know, I'm trading anyway, and I like to take you on the journey. And all I ever ask of you guys in return, just 3 clicks of your mouse. That's right. Be sure to like the video. You can also comment and let me know what you think about my technical analysis. Subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell notification anytime I put up some new content, new video, or go live. You'll be there with me, rocking, rolling, earning while we're learning, and all that great stuff. A little chill today, man, relaxing on the weekend, but I'm ready to get it back into the morning and get going with the market this week. So definitely stick around. Tomorrow morning I'll go live about 6 a.m., 9 a.m. on the East Coast for the pre-market playlist. So definitely keep it locked right here, and don't forget to subscribe and support. All right, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Day Trader, signing on out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.